Hi traders, welcome to the video. Please pause the video and make sure you understand the disclaimer before proceeding. What I want to do in the video is show you how to improve your win rate, or I should say take probability factor to the next level, if that makes any sense, with these trade signals. They're already pretty good. If you have a look at my 5-minute strategy playlist, we're getting a remarkable result with these 5-minute breakout signals. But what I'm really wanting to do is get the best of the best and eliminate or reduce signals that are giving us less pips or potentially getting stopped out. Before I get into the video, just quickly head over to Discord. I'll show you this. I mean, for the last 16 trades, we've had a pretty good outcome. These are trades posted into our VIP over here. The Swissy yen stop loss was a bit tight, but you can see that we're getting a pretty good result now. Discord's free. If you haven't joined already, you're going to get access to the Trader Zone, free of charge. Daily trade ideas, tutorials, everything. So you're welcome to that. Click the link below. And then if you want to go to that next level, get involved with VIP and the trades that I'm taking on my MT5, well, you can do that. The link is up here. Join VIP. It'll take you to my website there, and you can join. It's incredibly affordable. So let's just go back to the chart, and I want to show you how to take this to the next level. So this is the 5-minute strategy I've been talking about. There's a playlist on my channel, and instead of taking every signal that fires, let's get selective with it. It's a really simple matter of including the 30-minute chart with the 5-minute chart. I like these 5-minute breakouts, and I mean, it's just a simple matter of, if where you see the breakout alert, just have a look on the 30-minute, and you want to include two things. The way we trade this is we mark up the range prior to where the breakout occurred. So the breakout occurred here. Right, we could just call that our break. We mark up the range where the breakout occurred. So we've got this range from high to low here, more or less. And so what we're looking for is the pullback into the range, retest and fail, if that makes any sense. So this is a bearish, just mark this as a red or orange bearish break. So when we get the pullback into retest this range low, all we need to add to this as far as our rules of engagement is signal fires on the 5-minute, come down to the 30. We've marked it up here. When we enter the trade, we want to know that we've broken through this midline on the 30-minute chart. Okay, so we had a break of the line, pullback retest, and if our entry is going to be here, I want to see that we're trading under the cloud on the 30. So we've had a break out of the cloud here on the 30. We've had a break retest of this midline, or we're trading under this midline, right? And we can see red dots. That's really what I'm interested in. Those things on the 30-minute chart. If that stacks up, then we take the trade. That's it. It's just a matter of having a look. Is it trending down? Have a look at this midline here. Which direction is it heading? We can see it's heading slightly south at this point. Then we take the trade. So what we'll do, we'll just run through, just random select a few of these and just have a look at the last signal. Okay, here's a bullish break. There's the breakout. We'll mark it up on both. What's it doing on the 30? Well, here's the midline here. Okay, we've broken above the midline. I'm good. Do we have green dots below, under? Yeah, we got green dots under. We've broken above this midline. Take it. That's your trade. Breakout happened here. It pulled back, retested right there. So that's your entry. I don't know, we'll go down to C. There you go, CAD yen. Have a look at that quickly. Just go through a couple of these. I don't want to sort of spend all day on this, but see, green break. We're above this midline. Okay, so it's not meeting all our criteria. We've got a break above the midline, so that could be okay. That could be the cue to take it, right? So it's just a matter of, like, how strong is your argument? If there was green dots under, it would be a stronger argument. Right, we're still under the cloud bearish here, although we've flattened out and we've broken above. So, I mean, you know, that could be a cue. You know, I mean, the most profitable trades are going to happen like this. There's your break. Have a look at it. We're under the cloud. We're under this midline. I mean, there's just no question whatsoever. That's your trade. It ticks all the boxes on the 30-minute. Look at it. That's the setup you really want. And you ignore this green break here. I mean, it's just a stop run. That's all it is. It's just a pullback stop run prior to continuation to the downside. If it's a bearish break, we're looking for this to be bearish agreeable, and then we take it. I hope that makes sense. I don't know. Let's try the Euro CAD. That'll do. I've marked up all of these, actually. I've gone through and checked them out. But this one, see, I wouldn't take that. And we're trading under the cloud, so leave that one alone. That's a no-go zone. We don't touch it. This is the trade we want. Here. Right, let's just wiggle this line around. There it is, right? So there's your breakout on the 5-minute. Have a look at the 30. Well, we've broken under the cloud on the 30. We've broken under the midline here, and we've broken under the cloud. We've got red dots above here. So that's, without question, there's your trade. We want these. That's the setup I'm looking for. I don't know, pound. Have a look at pound CAD. There's a bearish break without question. Where is it? Yep, okay, break under the cloud, look at that, and break below this midline. Take it, that's your entry point right here. There. So I won't go through them, but you can see what I'm getting at here. Go for the confluence on the 30, and that's going to change everything. We'll ignore that. Back here, this is your trade. So rules of engagement, it's simply this. Mark up your breakout. Where did it break out? Well, there's your break. Mark it up. Break of structure. Grab a rectangle, look left, and we're looking for the range. Okay, we pull a rectangle through, mark up the range. Prior to the breakout, there's the range low, high through here. Then we can layer in our orders short in through here. It comes back, we get a fill, and that's our trade. If that's our entry, stop loss above the cloud, slightly. Go for broke on the risk reward. TP1 is going to be 50% of the stop loss range. Close 2/3 here at 50% of your stop loss range, and the rest of it trail. Once you take 2/3, pull your stop loss down to be in the money, so that's profitable regardless. Risk-free trade from here on. You let it run, and then that remaining open position, just keep trailing it with your stop loss until you decide to close. You get a good run like that. You can see where it trades back into the cloud here. Then that could be a cue to close it. So you could trail the stop loss mid-cloud. So look at the distance between the high and low of the cloud here, and then set your stop loss in the middle. As it trades down, look up. Okay, you can see that's the cloud range there. You can see that, like there's the dots high and low. So set your stop loss up in the middle, mid-cloud. Follow it all the way, and then you get taken out here, and that is a nice payday. Okay guys, jump on board with us. Gain access to the indicators, head over to my website. Happy to share my success. I'm not asking for a lot back. I don't want to give it away free. All right, you give me a little bit back. You've got full access to VIP, all my trades, advanced trading tutorials, the indicators, everything. With that guys, I hope you have a great day. Safe trading. We'll see you in the next video.